So this one time, she asked me what I dream of. And I, in the most rom-com way, said, I dream of growing old with you. Of course, with 3 kids and 3 dogs, before she could interrupt, I continued. You see, we know that you don't want kids. I do. We know that I don't want dogs. You do. This is a great compromise. She laughs and starts thinking of names. It's been 2 years now since that dream broke. And ever since then, I've been wishing for her on every shooting star. Tell me, how impossible does a wish have to be to make the whole sky dark? You know, they say that pain becomes art, but they never tell you that it still hurts. I guess the Big Bang was the universe's heartbreak. We all are breathing in the void of what's left, oblivious of its pain. I tell your memories the same. They don't leave. I remember holding you like a tree holding on to the last leaf, the only proof of it being alive. I remember the rhythm of your breath on my chest. It still is my favorite music cassette. I remember wanting to be the reason of your smile, the way you are mine. I remember things I shouldn't. I remember the first time we met. I tripped on a step. You smiled. And in that instance, I fell twice. I remember you loving caramel custard so much that now I can't have one without thinking about you. Love took my sweet tooth away. I remember waking up to you and thinking, how has my dream not ended yet? It explains why I don't wake up happy anymore. I remember things that I want to forget. Things that hurt like a punch in a fist fight with unlimited rounds where I don't punch back because you told me that I was too kind to be violent. So I set them on fire. Verses after verses, poems after poems. My notes run out of poetry, I out of breath, but I keep burning. You see, it's much more easier to survive this smoke than see you and not hold you. I set ablaze everything that reminds me of you. But they say, if you set the forest on fire from the center, you don't survive either. The flames reach me and I don't move. Growing old anyway doesn't make any sense now.